नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रों. Here I am once again repeating the same session and same topic for those students, those who have not already attended my rest of the videos. Friends, as we have already mentioned the syllabus and so far TYBAC semester 5 concern, here we are once again with the first topic of press report writing. Actually, I have discussed about the report writing skill, how to write a report and what are the basic elements what we compulsory require for a report. Here we can see that we are going to list out, we are going to discuss about such topics like accident, natural calamities and college event press reports. So for press report concern, we can understand that we supposed to discuss about the things which are very important and we have to provide it for the publication of the newspaper. See, here I have given you the note which you can have the screenshot and you can read out and you can write out. But once again I am repeating the topic that minimum you require date, place, time, number of people, taken action, photographs and final conclusion or the final action or the situation which was seen by you at last. See friends, here I am repeating the things as we are going to discuss the same topic in detail with the example. All of you read reports in newspapers every day but don't pay attention how are they written. If you look at them closely, you will get ideas. Report writing is a skill that requires language and observation, logic and order, creativity and understanding of reality. Nowadays, report writing is required in most of workplaces. So better is learn. There's always a heading in big and bold letters. It should be short and suggestive, mean it should not be very lengthy and narrative. You can just give such things or such step by step elements. It must give clear idea of event. There can be subtitle also. It provides additional but important details. Below the heading or subheading, mention the name of news agency, date, place of event as I mentioned already. Each newspaper has a policy. Has a policy means sometimes in such newspaper you find such elements like such a date and place and news agency name and the resource of the given or the printed material or the data. It may be at the middle, at the left or at the right. Yes, it depends on the printing policy of the newspaper. And so they mention them according to their design. The first paragraph should give overall information of an event. By reading it, one must come to know the basic things related to it. This paragraph may be written in one line or in a few more lines. The details mentioned in the first paragraph should be elaborated in the next paragraphs. That you will have to remember, means to the first paragraph or even above the first paragraph you can have the headlines, subtitle or the great bold title style. So by reading only the title, anyone can understand that what would be there inside the paragraph or the column. Pick up one thing and write a few lines about it and carry on like that. Write in such a way that things have taken place before your eyes. There will give an advanced view to look at things. You know everything and writing will be easy. I mean, once you list out, it would be more easy to understand as well as to read. Even if you go through any of the newspaper, whether in English, Gujarati, Hindi, you find all similar characteristics inside it. The reporters are objective. They don't put there. Even see sometimes information provided may be unofficial. So they don't provide you the name or the source of the news information. Sometimes may be official, but authority does not want to be involved, means they don't want to give such name or the resource, so they may give you in such a another way, mean as per our reporter, as per the news found, like this way they give you the report. In such cases they use phrases like according to the source and official said, the information received reveals. This way they just provide you or they mention such words. Sometimes they also quote official and people also, means they may mention such names, or sometimes they don't mention also. Such things are put into inverted commas. The reports also use other phrase like when the last report came in, as I mentioned in the beginning, that they may give the last situation in such a way, as I insisted that you have to give the latest till last situation in your report writing. It is expected that our reporter informs. The bureau report adds, there are clinch words. It means jargons. Mean there are such types of words which known as jargons. Mean it would be there especially in the print media or in journalism language. They are words related to terminology of journalism. If you closely read reports every day, automatically you understand each thing or such things. The reports are arranged in a typical way. There are columns and rows. A reporter hasn't to think about it. Such a work is done by the editor. Means finally whatever the report comes by the reporter, it is changed or modified by the editor. He arranges headings, subheadings, photographs, or puts block or charts. These things make a report attractive. See friends, you will have to keep in your mind these are the minimum characteristics. Yes friends, once again I am translating for the students who enjoy Gujarati. ઓકે, ટૂંકમાં તમને કહેવાનો અર્થ એટલો જ છે કે તમે જ્યારે પણ રિપોર્ટ લખો છો ત્યારે નિશ્ચિત પ્રકારની માહિતી માટે એનું સ્થળ, તારીખ, જોડાયેલા લોકો, એનો સંદર્ભ અને છેલ્લે સુધી બનેલી ઘટનાઓ, ટાઇટલ, હેડિંગ, સબ હેડિંગ, સોર્સ જે માધ્યમ સ્ત્રોતમાંથી માહિતી આવી હોય તો એ જરૂરી હોય તો માહિતીનું માધ્યમ, ન જરૂરી હોય તો ઉપર દર્શાવેલા શબ્દો, આ બધી જ વસ્તુઓ સાથે તમારે છેલ્લે સુધીનો રિપોર્ટ એ રીતે બનાવવાનો છે. એક પ્રકારનો અહેવાલ છે અને અહેવાલનું લેખન એ રીતે કરવાનું છે કે કોઈ પણ ન્યૂઝપેપરમાં, અખબારમાં પબ્લિશ થવા માટે જવાનો છે. એટલે તમે જે રીતે રોજબરોજના પેપર વાંચો છો એ રીતે જ તમારે એની માહિતીને રિપ્રેઝેન્ટ કરવાની છે, લખવાની છે. ચાલો હવે આપણે વધુ આગળમાં જોઈશું એક નમૂનો રિપોર્ટ રાઇટિંગનો. See friends, here we find some examples of the report writing skill.